Hey guys, Entity 1026 here. We will be doing a review about the daddy gun. Dylan's video box has it right now. He's keeping it a secret.
I have it right now, and I will not show it.
Alright guys, as you can see, I'm totally not hiding something under my sweater. Oh no, it's slipping out. Oh no.
It's the daddy gun.
Oh
it's
no.
the daddy gun.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
As you can see, it is a very loud gun, and the balls do hurt. And wait a minute. Stop. All the balls went down. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. As you can see, he shot all 10 balls in under 3 seconds.
Totally under 3 seconds.
Under 3 seconds. Or should we say 5 seconds?
Yeah.
Alright, so you must count 10, or else Sebi Doodle will not be happy that
I
they're
have 6. There's 7.
And there's another one over there. There should be 8 or 10. I have 2 more at home, so there's 10. Alright guys, as you can see.
Yeah, sorry about that. My phone almost fell. Just remember all that. And yeah, here's Dylan's video box with the daddy gun.
I have the daddy gun and I will not reveal it. Because it's the daddy gun. It's the best gun, so I do not want to give it away. And it's hiding behind my back. Alright, so as you can see, I'll give you a preview. Hold it still and I'll do the preview. Okay. Hold it still. As you can see, this comes with an ammo cartridge holding 10 balls.
Yes, 10 jiggly balls.
And this is part of it. This is the aim pod, and it's a semi-auto.
That's the sight.
This is the sight. This is another sight.
Yep, another sight.
Another sight.
Yep.
And another sight. It has 3 sights together to
Yes.
give you the best aim. Not only that, no trigger.
For all of my
It's
Call,
semi-auto.
for all of my Call of Duty players, it's like an iron sight on a ballista.
Now, the true thing about this is that it extends.
Yes, it extends.
And it's called the daddy gun because it's the best gun of all. Now, here's a review about it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, here's how far it shoots. Watch.
Guys, these are the 10 balls.
Those are all the ones we have, different colors.
We're not racist. There's one blue ball. We're not racist.
And now you're gonna see how you put them.
So basically, what you do is this is the hole, right? And then you have a ball, right? So you put it into the hole until
Till
you
you
have
get a pop.
A pop. Yes.
2,
Just don't watch this part closing your
3,
eyes.
4,
Listen closely. Hear that?
5, 6,
That's my jingle bells.
7, 8. Now show them how you extend it.
Now, how you extend it is you grab one side, right, that has no trigger. Well, technically it does. Then you grab another side, and then you just
You use all 3 iron sights. As you can see, it extends. Now, let's show them an accuracy test. I'm gonna stand all the way over here.
Now, this is like a semi-pistol. I exactly don't know what it is, but it is the daddy gun.
It's the best one that we have.
Sebi Dude, if you're watching this, we're apologizing in advance. Not really. So here's the accuracy test.
Here's the accuracy. Shoot one at a time. Shoot one. As you can see, he got crazy. He only hit me 5 times and he missed 3 times. But it's the daddy gun. So we call it the daddy gun because it shoots the fastest and because it's the most portable gun that you could ever have. So to us, it's the best. So Sebi Dude, if you're watching this, we're giving our best gun away.
Yes.
So do not cry, and I'll be posting your video when you said I want the daddy gun. And not only that, I'm giving your brother the dual Twin Hawks.
They do a what?
The dual Twin Hawks. You know, the Fire Strikes.
No.
I'm giving your brother the dual Fire Strike, so I can't do anything about it, Sebi Dude. You won a challenge. You must give me 10 more subscribers. Alright, Sebi Dude. You won it. Thank you. 3, 2, 1. Do it again. 3, 2, 1.